Hello, in this video we're gonna check if Huawei Nova Y90 has a stereo speakers. So in order to do this, first we'll need to locate all of the speakers on this device. So on the top there's nothing, there's a phone call speaker right here. On the bottom there's one speaker. On the right there's no speakers, and on the left there's also no speakers. On the back the same, no speakers. Now, to see if it's a stereo or mono speaker, we'll need to play music, cover each of the speakers with our fingers, and then see if the sound is coming from both sources. If it does, that's a stereo speaker. If not, that's a mono speaker. So let's try that. So I can already confirm that's a mono speaker, as the sound is coming from only bottom speaker. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.